watch straps, bubblegum box, audio amplifier, 3.7 volt lithium battery, coffee bottle lid, speaker. Together it makes a monster watch speaker that can easily be strapped onto your hand. It has a really easy to use volume knob on the side so you can easily adjust your volume. The coffee bottle lid is used as the speaker box to enhance the sound and the bass so you really feel the vibration. To switch it on, it's actually very simple. You just connect the negative wires. That's because I haven't installed a switch.
Bluetooth mode.
Once connected, I apply tape to stop the wires from touching and damaging the electronics. Just like that. Now I can easily tuck the battery into the box like that, and then I just tidy up the wires, and this is where I charge the battery, so I can use the battery, charge it, and I can keep on using it. So it's not like a one-time use thing. I can tuck the wires and just close it like that, and then I can easily just put it down like this and then just strap it to my hand like that, just like that. It's a beast, easy to use. And now I'll always have my music by my side, and then you can easily just connect to it. It uses Bluetooth. Just like that, it's connected. Reduce volume. But it's not really a watch speaker if you can't really tell time, so you just strap a watch to your hand. That's two birds with one stone. Now I can tell time. Now I can tell time, but this is not any ordinary watch. It's actually a smart watch, and because it's a smart watch, it actually allows me to press next or go previous or pause my music. So now it's like a combined kit. It's like this watch is now built into the speaker itself because I can easily control the music. I can adjust the volume, I can do next and previous and pause the music. As you can see, let me demonstrate. I go there and then I can press play. Just like that. I can increase the volume here. Go next. I can do previous. I can pause. I can press play. And I can check the time. reduce volume, increase volume, just like that. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking or subscribing. Hope to see you in another video.